The golden hour marks the start of the harvest. We carefully inspect each hive, ensuring the health of the colony before we gather the sweet rewards within. As the beekeeper carefully lifts the frame, you can see the results of the colony's hard work. Fresh, golden honey glistening in the capped cells. Once the super is full, the frames, heavy with capped honey, are slowly removed from the hive for extraction. In the golden hour light, the team inspects the frames. They're checking for moisture content and ensuring the cells are fully capped before the harvest begins. We use a soft bristle brush to carefully sweep the bees away, making sure the honeycomb remains fully loaded and intact.
The full frames, dripping with rich, golden honey, are carefully loaded into specialized transport crates by the processing team.
Here at the peak of the season, the Apis mellifera colonies are producing a rich surplus. It's a labor-intensive process.
With the final straps tightened, the sheer scale of the honey harvest becomes clear. This liquid gold is dense.
At the transport staging area, the harvested honeycomb is carefully arranged into neat rows. This meticulous organization is straightest. The journey from the beehive to the processing facility is critical. The honeycombs are carefully loaded into temperature-controlled trucks to maintain. The refrigerated transport ensures the quality of the harvest as it leaves the apiary at dawn. Every morning, we bring the freshest golden harvest down the highway, ensuring it arrives at the facility pure and untouched. Once harvested, the raw honey is transported directly to the processing plant. This facility handles vast quantities. Once the tanker arrives at the processing facility, it must clear the main security gate before proceeding to the unloading area. Upon arrival at the state-of-the-art facility, the tanker truck prepares for unloading. Every precaution is taken to maintain the purity of the incoming honey. Once the cargo arrives at the processing facility, the real work begins. Inside this truck, thousands of frames of raw honeycomb await extraction. A forklift carefully lifts the pallets of honeycomb crates from the truck. Workers guide the operation, maintaining the high.
Fresh honeycomb batches now enter the receiving area, where every shipment is organized before processing begins.
Each honey batch is digitally registered, ensuring complete traceability throughout every stage of production. Registered honeycomb frames now advance toward cleaning systems, where extraction preparation will soon begin. The honeycomb frames now reach the preparation area, where workers begin processing the harvested honey. Every honeycomb frame undergoes inspection to ensure only high-quality honey enters the extraction process.
Approved honeycomb frames are organized on racks for efficient movement through the processing line.
The prepared frames now travel towards specialized machines that remove the protective wax seals. Automated uncapping exposes the honey, allowing efficient extraction from thousands of individual cells. The removed wax is collected separately for further processing and valuable byproduct recovery.
Uncapped frames are now prepared for extraction, where centrifugal force will separate the honey.
The frames are carefully loaded into extractors designed to remove honey without damaging the comb. As rotation begins, centrifugal force starts pushing honey outward from the honeycomb cells. Fresh honey now leaves the comb, marking the beginning of large-scale industrial extraction.
The extracted honey enters collection pipelines, beginning its journey through the factory purification process.
Primary filtration removes larger particles while preserving the honey's natural composition and quality. Separated wax is recovered efficiently, ensuring maximum utilization of every harvested honeycomb frame.
Specialized pumps transport the filtered honey while maintaining steady production throughout the facility.
The honey enters settling tanks, where trapped air and remaining impurities can separate naturally. During settling, trapped air gradually escapes, improving the honey's clarity and appearance.
Surface impurities are carefully removed to achieve a cleaner and more refined honey product.
Secondary filtration captures even smaller particles, further improving the honey's visual purity.
Digital monitoring systems help maintain consistent processing conditions throughout the honey production line. After filtration and settling, the honey advances toward controlled conditioning and final preparation stages. The purified honey enters conditioning tanks, where temperature and consistency are carefully controlled. Gentle warming improves honey flow while preserving its natural flavor, color, and quality. Continuous circulation ensures uniform temperature and consistency throughout every batch of honey. Regular sampling helps operators verify that each batch meets strict production standards. Honey consistency is monitored carefully to ensure a smooth and uniform final product.
Once approved, the conditioned honey is cleared to continue through the production process.
The conditioned honey moves into holding tanks that balance production throughout the facility.
These holding tanks stabilize production flow before the honey enters advanced processing equipment.
Automated controls maintain consistent flow rates, ensuring efficient operation across the production line. The stabilized honey now advances toward refinement systems that prepare it for final packaging.
The conditioned honey enters refinement systems designed to improve clarity and processing consistency. Precise temperature control helps maintain product quality while supporting efficient industrial processing.
Homogenization promotes uniform texture, creating a consistent appearance throughout the entire honey batch. Continuous monitoring verifies that the honey remains uniform during every stage of refinement. Automated systems optimize production conditions while maintaining strict quality standards.
Clarification further improves visual purity while preserving the honey's natural characteristics. Refined honey now advances toward finishing systems that prepare it for consumer packaging.
Balancing tanks maintain steady production flow across the entire processing facility.
Process verification confirms that production conditions remain stable before the finishing stage begins. The refined honey now enters the finishing department, where final preparation for packaging will begin. The refined honey enters automated buffer tanks that maintain continuous supply for the filling lines. Intelligent controls adjust honey flow automatically to keep every filling line operating efficiently. The distribution system delivers equal amounts of honey to multiple packaging stations. Empty containers are automatically positioned to ensure accurate and efficient filling operations. Precision positioning systems prepare every bottle for accurate honey dispensing. Automated fillers dispense precise amounts of honey into every container moving through production.
Machine vision systems verify fill levels and identify any packaging irregularities instantly. Automated feeders organize and deliver caps continuously to maintain uninterrupted production. Each bottle receives a secure cap that protects the honey during storage and transport.
Capped bottles now advance toward finishing systems that prepare them for final inspection. Automated applicators place labels accurately, ensuring every bottle meets packaging specifications.
Vision systems verify label quality and immediately detect any packaging inconsistencies. Batch codes provide traceability, helping manufacturers track every bottle throughout distribution.
Automated scanners confirm that all production information remains clear and readable.
The bottles are organized into groups that match the factory's packaging requirements. Automated equipment forms cartons that will protect the honey during transportation. Automated packers load bottles efficiently while maintaining consistent package quality. Each carton is sealed securely to protect the honey throughout storage and shipment. The packaged honey now advances toward final quality inspections before warehouse storage. Finished cartons now enter quality control, where packaging and product standards are verified.
Sample bottles are selected to confirm that packaging requirements have been met consistently.
Product samples enter the laboratory for detailed testing and quality verification. Advanced testing confirms that the honey meets established purity and composition standards. Moisture analysis helps ensure product stability and long-term shelf quality. Packaging inspections verify that every bottle remains secure during transportation and storage. Quality teams review production data to confer compliance across the entire batch. Once approved, the finished honey batch is cleared for warehouse distribution.
Approved products now leave quality control and proceed toward final warehouse handling.
The finished honey reaches warehouse operations, where distribution preparation begins.
Every pallet is inspected carefully to ensure safe handling throughout the distribution process.
Protective wrapping stabilizes the pallet and safeguards products during transportation.
Wrapped pallets are transferred into storage areas while awaiting customer orders and shipment schedules.
Finished honey products remain stored under controlled conditions until distribution is required. Logistics systems identify customer orders and prepare specific pallets for shipment.
Selected pallets leave storage and move toward loading docks for final dispatch. The finished honey now begins its journey from the factory to retailers and consumers.
And this is how modern factories process honey, transforming raw honeycomb into finished products ready for consumers worldwide.